All right, Billy Idol's Flesh with Fantasy. Super cool riff by Steve Stevens. There's a couple, but we're going to focus on the first one in the song. So there's a link in the description below for a tab. If you sign up for my email list, it'll come right to you. And there's also currently a survey down there. And if you take that survey, you can have a complimentary guitar lesson with yours truly. We'll go over some goals, some plans, and ways to figure out how to make 2026 your best guitar year yet. All right, let's dive right in. We have this awesome main riff. Which is played throughout the verses. We're in B minor pentatonic land, so 7th fret. And then he has all these little chord things. We'll get those another time. Let's focus on that first riff. And I like it because it's pure pentatonic and it's pretty fast, so it lets you practice speed, familiarity with the position, etc., etc. So let's talk about how to play it. So we have our 3rd finger on the D string on the 9th fret, playing that rhythm. So we're starting on B. Our 2nd finger is going to grab F sharp on the 9th fret on the A string after that riff. And then we just kind of go up the scale. We go up and down at the same time. The first 5 notes of the riff are 9th fret on the D string to the A string, same fret. 7th fret on the D string, back to the 9th fret, 7th fret D string. And I pick it as down, up, down, pure alternate picking. And then we get the 9th fret on the G string, back to the 9th fret on the D string, back to the 7th fret on the G string, 9th fret G string. Then we just go up the pentatonic scale. 7th fret B string, 10th fret B string, 7th fret on the high E string to the 10th fret, is that right? Yep, that is right. To the 10th fret on the B string, to the root note, which is B. So let's try that along with the song now. And one more time, nice and slow. A little faster. It's a great alternate picking exercise, it's a great pentatonic exercise, and it just sounds really great in the song. And if you want to make it into a little game, drop it down a half step. Oh. It does make a difference. That half step key change throws your ear off a little bit. It just kind of throws you off your game, which is important, which is why it's important to do it. Let's put it up to D minor. But it also lets you use it for your own purposes. C sharp. Back to B. For me, it sounds like Coming Home there. And you'll notice that I'm using my 2nd finger here a lot because it's more comfortable for me. I don't know if it's the fastest way to play it. Probably is.